How to get infinite hearts in Minecraft Bedrock. So first you will need a command block right here, and to get the command block you just simply need to type in give, then at s, so yourself, so at s is yourself, then just type in command underscore block, just like so, then click on enter. Now once you have your command block, just simply place it right here and place another one, so it should be facing right there, and place another one which is facing right there also, just like that. Hold shift and right click to place it. Now once that's done, you just simply need to right click, open up the first one, then set it to repeat, then copy the command that I will put in the description of this video and paste it right here on the command input. Just simply click on plus, then enter a command here or paste it. Now just simply go back and just go back again and go to this other block and get the other command that I will put in the description, and make sure that the block type is set to chain and the redstone is set to always active. Click on the plus button, paste the command right there, and just go back again. Now you will need a pressure plate. So I'm just gonna get a pressure plate right here and place it on the first one right there. Now once that's done, set your game mode to survival just by typing in slash game mode, then survival. Once it's done, click on enter. Now we are on survival, and when I step on this pressure plate, as you can see, it will give me infinite hearts. That's how I basically get infinite hearts in Minecraft Bedrock.